Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video and review into Huck's World. And today we got an awesome watch face for you all to check out. We got two in the lineup. One is going to be paid and one is going to be free. Now, if you're into exercising and you're going to be exercising for the weekend, this is definitely going to be the watch face for you. But if you're looking for a certain level of conveniences out of a watch face to make life easier, then this is also going to be the watch face for you. But with that being said, let's check it out. Now, the name of the developer that got down on this one goes by the name of XGear24. I thought he did a really good job with this one. The name of the watch face is called Digital Data Display. It's a 24-hour watch face that offers tons of information and shortcuts. So let's go ahead, let's have a look at it. Now, in the AOD mode, you're going to get your digital time, you're going to get info on your step status as well. And once the watch face is on up at the top, your digital time with a PM stamp. You're going to get your date right up under the time. You come down, you will get battery info, step info, also your heart rate information, your goal completed so far as your steps are concerned, and information on miles walked or ran. Now, those aren't interactive, but as you can see, it doesn't have to be. It gives you the information right up front. But down right up under it, you got shortcuts, right? I'm telling you, all of these are interactive. So you got your weather, you can go into your contacts, you go into your email, you can go into your music. If you're going to be running, you can listen to some good music, and also you can make a phone call. So I thought this was definitely a high level of a convenient watch face to have on your wrist, especially over the weekend. But at the end of the day, again, you know what I'm going to say, it is all about you. So hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this one. And with that being said, let's check out watch face number 2. Watch face number 2. Now this one is just as nice as number 1. This one here is called Glowing Data Selector 12 hours. Now this one is the free one. I tried to find one that looks like this one that was 24 hours. They just don't have it. All right. With that being said, let's get started. Now, I like to look at this watch face. Definitely, this is going to be for the runner and you. Now, in the AOD mode, you're going to get a different type of look for the Gear 3 and the Gear 2. Now, for the Gear 2, you're just going to get a simple digital time. And for the Gear 3, you're going to get your digital time and you're going to get the same info as you would get when the watch face is on. Right, which is cool. But once it's on, again, your digital time is at the top with a PM stamp. You get your date. You also get your step information. Tap. You're going to also get your heart rate information. Tap. You can also get information on miles walked or ran, goal completed, and also your battery information. So if you want those to show, then this is what you do. But if you don't, just tap on it and you can get rid of it. Give it a cleaner look. What do you think, people? All right, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you all enjoyed it. I hope you all have the greatest weekend ever. And with that being said, make sure you hit the like button on the way out because it does help the channel. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead, subscribe to the channel so you never miss another video that I download. All right, that's going to be it for the video. Hit the like button on the way out because it does help the channel. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.